Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to take access from someone on GoDaddy or how to give someone access on GoDaddy. So all you need to do is so simple. You have to click this login icon, and here you will find the option of setting, account setting. Here we go. So here you need to click here, and in the layout menu you will find option of delegate access. Click this. Here we go. So here you will find two portion. One is account I can access, and one people who can access my account. So in my case I am giving someone the access, so I have to click the invite access and put the name and email address of that person, and access you have to specify the access level up also. So after setting it all, you have to click the invite button, and there you have it. Thank you very much for watching.